So guys, I have this e-commerce calendar here. It's very helpful. It helps me get like ahead of holidays. So if you like to get this e-commerce calendar, actually it's from Printful. If you like to get it, let me know down in the comment section below. So the reason why I like using this calendar is because it tells me which country is I should be focusing on. Like for example, today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and it shows that it's predominant in the US. As you can see, this is the US flag, and here Australia Day, it shows that it's predominant in the US. So you have these flags, and US again Groundhog Day for February. Super Bowl is also for the US. Canada Family Day. So it tells you, it gives you insight into the niche, so you can prepare for which marketplace you're going to advertise. So it's a very helpful calendar. And that's not all. They also have this other calendar. Actually, this one is for your Gmail calendar. If you want all of this on your Gmail, then you have to read these instructions as it says right here. Open your Gmail calendar, go to the settings and all. So all of this is going to be imported into your Gmail, as you can see. So if you're interested in this file, let me know down in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get right into the top 5 niches of today, episode 55. Let's go. So, like I said before, episode 55, we're going to talk about all the niches that are trending, including the ones that are going to be upcoming. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche for today is the 100 days of school. Before I even begin those niches, I want to show you guys something. So, before I begin the niches, I want to show you guys this. Just take a look at this. This is the first 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, first 8. This is the first 8 top ranking designs using Flying Research. If you're interested in Flying Research, link is in the description below. And look at this. You have 100 days of school, as you can see. So that's what we're talking about right here. It's a 100 days of school unlocked. This one is gamified. It actually looks like a Nintendo. Yeah. So this is a very awesome design, guys. If you can create something like this or even better than this, I'm guessing you'll get all the sales, and it's priced at $17.92 in the US marketplace. Yeah, it's just awesome, guys. Crazy design. Look at this. Overall trend is up, current trend is up, the BSR is just going through the roof, approaching 1. That was one of the designs. We have another one, 100 days of school. Instead of 100 days of school, it is 101 days of school. So if you watch the movie 101 Dalmatians, that's where they got this from, but it does not say anything 101 Dalmatians. It says 101 days of school. So it's a very good concept. I like that they were able to like be different from the others, because it's actually a cute design with the animal print up here. It's just very unique, guys. So I had to show you guys this. And also it's doing quite well, and you have this overall trend up, current trend up, also approaching 1. Look at this. It just fell down there and just doing quite well, as you can see. Then you also have this 100 day of school. So I'm showing you different designs of the same niche, so you can get ideas of how to design yours. So this is another one, 100 days of school, achievement unlocked. It actually looks like a game, you know, retro games here. So you had this font. Yeah, so if you've been playing games a lot, you know what I mean. It's quite unfortunate that I don't play games as much anymore, because you know, life happens. But in those days of playing games, yeah, I love playing games a lot, and you know, I'm used to looking at this font. So that was it for niche number 1, 100 days of school. Niche number 2 is oh, we have another one here, another one for 100 days of school. It says popping my way through 100 days of school. So if you know this pop, I know they use some of it on phone cases. I like to pop it whenever I had it on my phone case. Yeah, so this is another concept, and it's very colorful. I like that it's huge, big font. As you can see, let's take a look at the BSI Express 1399. Overall trend is up. It's doing quite well. So moving on to the next niche, niche number 2, teaching second grade on Tuesday. You will know Tuesday, February 2nd, 2022 is quickly approaching. What better way to celebrate a day like that? That happens like once in how many years? 100 years or so. What better way to celebrate such a day than to get a t-shirt to remind you of that day in years to come, you know? So this one is for the teachers. It says teaching second grade on Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022. And look at this. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. Here are the keywords you can use. This is why I like using Fly Research. It gives you the keyword for the top ranking designs. You know, if a design is ranking, what you should be doing is finding out what they are doing. So what better way to find out what they're doing than to use their keywords that are ranking for, including their description. So you have here that description, keywords, title. Take a look at all of that and see how you can incorporate it into your own design. Obviously making your own design better than theirs, because if yours is not better than theirs, it's not gonna like sell as much as theirs is selling. So that's just a tip right there. You have another Tuesday, February 2nd, 2022 design right here. This one is taco niche with the February 22nd, 2022 niche. Yeah, it's quite funny. You have the bigger taco or the daddy taco and the little taco here. It's just a quite nice design, and you have the Tuesday in colorful. So it's it's funny and it's bold and it's colorful. So if you're making designs, well, we no longer do just a white text or black background, although that works, but you need to be upping your design game by making your designs colorful like we see right here. So our next niche number 3, your to-do list. Your mom. So your to-do list is your mom. You've considered. That's quite funny for those moms who always give chores. Yeah, so it's quite a funny design. If I were to do this, a design like this, I would have added something else. Like, for example, what chores do we do every day? Wash plates. I don't know about you, but I do the dishes. And you can see your to-do list. You cross out mom, then you still have do the dishes, or you can leave your mom here at the bottom, because to fill this space, I can leave your mom here at the bottom, cross it out, or you could leave it up there so you can cross your mom out. Then you can write do dishes, or maybe what other chores does everyone does. Maybe plow the snow. I don't know what you guys do. So take out the trash can. Yeah, trash can. Take out the trash can. You know, list of different chores. Then you have your mom crossed out. So you have these other ones here that you see have to do. Then you've already done your mom. So it's a quite funny niche. That's what I was thinking the first time I came across this niche. So it's been selling quite well, more than 1,000 sales, price $13.99. And look at the BSI overall trend is up. So that was it for our niche number 4 or 3, I think so. I've forgotten. So we have this Valentine's Day here. Of course, guys, Valentine's Day is a huge niche that everyone is anticipating making more sales. If you haven't uploaded your designs, you have to at this point in time. And here are inspirations for your design. V is for Valentine. It has it's gamified. It has those controllers there, and it's themed red and white. So here are the 3. Actually, I'm anticipating releasing a video talking about just Valentine's Day, how to crush it. So if that's something interested in, just be looking out for it. So actually, let me just give you some tips right here. If you want to have a design for Valentine's Day, you need to use the primary colors red, pink, and white. Yeah, those are the primary colors that you need to be using. So this one is using red and white. And if you're designing for a white t-shirt, your primary color should be red and maybe pink. If you're designing for black like this, you can obviously use red, white, and pink on it. So it depends on the background color. That's the primary colors they're gonna use. It depends on the background color. So this is it for this design, and this Valentine's Day games. Current trend is up. Look at that. It fell at some point in August. Yeah, and December, January. Yeah, it has just fallen that back down, like people purchasing it. Yeah, the same thing here. It always falls down like this during February. Look at February 2nd of last year, 2021. It just went down. It fell again. Now look at it right here approaching. We're in January. I've not approached February yet, but it's anticipated to just remain down there. So that was it for Valentine's Day niche. Another one is this sorry ladies, mommy is my Valentine. You can also change this mommy to daddy. Sorry ladies, or sorry. You can just say sorry instead of sorry ladies. You can say sorry, daddy is my Valentine, or you can also say sorry, mom is my Valentine. So it's up to you. It's a very beautiful design for the kids, and price $13.29. Over 120 sales. So let's look at the BSR. Over trend is up, current trend is up. Look at this, people are just going crazy behind it. So another Valentine's Day design. I still have to look at this. Like I showed you before, guys. Like I showed you before, you have this three designs here out of 8 is Valentine's Day. So it shows you how good this Valentine's Day niche is selling, and you should create better designs like this. Okay, so I still hearts. I've spoken about this before. I don't want to talk about it again. Just basically Valentine's Day dino holding a heart with little hearts here at the back. So that was it for a Valentine's Day niche. Niche number 5, if I'm not mistaken, is Black History Month. You know, Black History Month begins with Martin Luther King's birthday. By the way, that's today. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day to you guys. So the whole of this month is gonna be Black History Month, and this shirt is a Black History shirt. It says, "They whisper to her, you can't withstand the storm. She whispered back, I am the storm." It's quite powerful. It's motivational, inspirational. It supports Black women, to be specific. So 1,000 reviews plus, guys. Price of $14.99. And let's look at, wow, it has been going quite up and down, up and down. Woo, look at that. Anyway, that was it for the Black History Month. Anything related to Black History Month, guys, here is the time for you to make your designs and upload it. And if you can't make designs quite powerful as these, Vexels is always there to help you out. I always use them. Like if I want a design like this and I really want to upload a design like this, I will just go to Vexels and request them to upload to design a design like this. I'm going to give them the URL to this design, and once they have the URL, they'll create something similar or even better than it. So those are the tips that I'm giving right there. If you don't have Vexels, there's a link to Vexels in the description below. You're gonna land on my page. It's exclusive only to my viewers, and on that page you receive 35% off instead of the 25% off if you land on Vexels directly. So that's the perk there of using my link. So guys, our bonus shirt is this check out my 6-pack. I saw this design price $19.99. I was like, and it's selling quite well. I was like, why is this selling? What are these? Like, what are these things? So I read the description. It says it's related to a game RPG player. So I was like, games. You can make designs related to games, but you need to be careful, guys, because most games are trademarked. So you're treading on a slippery slope, and you just need to be careful, guys. Generally not to use the name of the games and even the characters, So I don't know how the game is, so but I'll just tell you to be careful with games because most of them are trademarks. So here's another design. It's funny, it says check on my six pack, and it has these dices there on it. So using the dices that are found in the game. So that's basically it, guys. So before I go, I just want to quickly remind you, if you're interested in these e-commerce holidays calendar. Actually, I already uploaded mine to iCalendar. I'm using an MacBook Pro. So but if you want to upload it to your Google Calendar, the instructions here how to do it, or if you just want to use just this single PNG, like upload it wherever I want to upload, or if you just want to print it out and post it wherever you want to post and you keep on looking at it every day, that's really up to you, but I recommend that you get this. If you're interested in it, let me know down in the comment section below. What I usually do is I upload designs 2 months prior, like we're in January right now and I'm already uploading designs for March, so that's what you should be doing, and focus on the marketplace where it is relevant, like this one right here. This is India, right? Yes, Indian flag and the American flag. That's why St. Patrick's Day is predominant. Yeah, for example, Groundhog Day, you don't want to be uploading designs for Groundhog Day to other marketplaces, considering that maybe you have limited slots. You need to know which marketplace you need to be uploading these designs to, and that is where this calendar comes into place. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.